So I have this camera that I arrived from eBay. This is for a Nissan Qashqai, a reverse camera. It came with all wiring and everything, and it was pretty easy to take out this part because it was just one screw, one Phillips screw, this one, which was here, and just pull it down in force, and all the clips seems to be okay. So now I will soon install the new camera, because the old one, the lens is very dirty from the inside, so the picture is very bad. So I need to make sure that it will work on reverse, and again it came with all the wiring. This should be suitable to Nissan Qashqai. By the auction I chosen it. It has a LED that light, okay, so you will be able to see even on a total dark. And it came with also RCA cables that transfer the video, but I will use the cables that I already have here. I don't know what is the red one. Probably this is the power. I hope that it will work on reverse, and I will test it and try to install it now. So next thing to do is to open these 4 screws inside. I hope you can see them. There are 4 screws. Yes, and these screws are catching this plastic, and I need to open it in order to get to the camera and to be able to take it out. So you see there are screws here. Okay, so I will soon open them. So after taking these 4 screws, hopefully I will be able to take this plastic off. Looks like something is still catching. Okay. There is a pin here. Don't know what it is, but that looks like the problem. Catching it. Yes, it is. Oh, so how do I supposed to take it off? A secret. Trying to open it also. Nothing here. Can't be. Strange. Very strange. Let's try to work on it. Okay, this was just another pin like the others that you pull with a little force, that's all. Now I can see the camera, and we will try to work on it. Here is the camera. Okay. Another interesting part that I found. The old camera, they just did a hole, but the new one is going instead of the light of the lighting plate. So I need to remove it and place this one instead. Let's do it and see what happens. Okay, so I could take out the old camera. Here it is. It came with 2 wires, so I guess this is the video, this is the power. and I will probably use this for the new camera because I have already the connector here, and the new one is much better because it is exactly instead of the plating light, and it looks much better, I have to say. So soon we'll put it all together back. Okay, I've used the same wiring and the same connector, it's the same, and now we'll soon do the test. My wife is inside, and let's see if this is working. Okay, it looks better. Look perfect. So closing everything, it seems to be perfect, working perfect. We'll soon show how, and the best way is not to use the tape that everyone are using, because I'm using a Captain which is heat resistant and much better for this kind of works, and I will show you in a minute when it is all done. Okay, so now let's pray and see if this is working. Hopefully it is. I've done one test. Move to reverse. And as you can see, I have a very clear picture of what is going behind my car, and I'm pretty satisfied with this work. That's all for now, folks. So I hope if you have a few a very little skills about doing such a job, as you can see, the picture is perfect and I'm pretty satisfied. If you have good mechanical hands and you know what you're doing, so you can do it alone with very few steps, just one screw, pull it with a little power till all the hooks are off, and then doing the wiring and closing it. That's all, very easy.